What's up, y'all? I went to Walmart today, and look what I finally found. Pokeball. Let's see what we got. Now, every time I go to Walmart, they ain't never got nothing. All they got is them, like, pre-made packs that, like, you know, they just make them. They put, like, one foil in there, and, like, the rest, you know, like, just regular, like, base cards. Why is it so hard to open? Got it. Let's see what's inside. All right, y'all. We got 3 packs. Let me know. Let me know if in the comments if these are any good. All right, y'all. Let's see what we got. Is that any good? What's the trick? 1, 2, 3. Is that any good? All right, y'all. Third and final pack. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see. It's kind of fun. I miss doing this. 1, 2, 3. Ah, messed up. Is it? Ah, I keep messing up. I suck. Is this any good? Is that any good? Is that any good? Hey, I ain't trade and do Pokemon cards since I was probably like 6. So I'm just trying to get back into it now, but it's kind of fun.